Hey, good morning. I'm in the backyard in Arbel. I'm going to show you this project we finished about a month ago. Let me grab my blower. I'm blowing everything off for the homeowner today. So we finished the barbecue. We finished the walkways, Catalina Slate, graphite borders, Arbel stones in Bella, which looks like natural slate. But again, with California moving as much as it is, you want the paver stones because they bend and flex with the earth, and if they do crack or break, they've got the guarantee, so I'll come out and take care of that. But we built this barbecue double island. The island also has an overhang, which right now is currently covered, but I'll uncover part of it. So that's a little sneak peek. We did an overhang of about 18 inches, heavy 4-inch concrete, lots of rebar, stack stone, and then lights underneath for the customer. We built the seating wall all the way around with, again, the stack stone, graphite, Belgard bullnose with the lights underneath. And then he had a guy come in and put in a small patio cover, which works best for them. And just a quick preview of the backyard. And we also hit this with a Techniseal color boost. As we come to the front yard, we built in pads, and then synthetic turf was put around all the pads. So he'd have kind of a quasi walkway to the side, but not directing people to the back. And then again, the Arbel stones for the front walkway with the graphite bullnose border. And then steps all the way to the front yard, as well as a mow strip in the graphite all the way around. So this way it ties everything together, gives it a very nice look. Low voltage lighting, Catalina Slate, Catalina Belgard, woo! Catalina Slate for the driveway, and Arbel stones for the walkway. So sometimes when the budget comes into it, split it up so that you can make things work, but at the same time give it a different look for the walkways, the driveways, and everything else. Anyway, Dave Pratt, remember, press subscribe. 714-588-8634. These are Arbel. I'm out.